Today, we are going to learn about the most important feature on your PowerDialer UI, that is the analytics feature. So, as you can see, the analytics feature has multiple tabs underneath it. Starting from the All Charts tab, All Charts shows the number of connected calls, the number of calls made, and the conversation that happened. As you scroll down, you can actually see agent wise the number of calls made by each agent, their personal connect rates. So this tab is very important to make quick decision without diving too deep. Moving on to call volume, this actually focuses on call analytics and outcomes, the number of calls made, the connected calls, and the number of conversations happened. Lead metrics shows the number of positive leads, and you can actually adjust the time range to see data for up to past 30 days. The combined view shows the positive leads versus the number of total calls connected, number of connected calls, everything in one place. Moving on to the heat map tab, heat map shows the call performance throughout the week and throughout each time slot for each particular day. For us, Tuesday between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. has 100% connect rate. So this is our best time for our cold calling campaigns. And you can make your decision as per your data. Coming to disposition, disposition shows the call outcome. As you can scroll down, you can see your agent's name and the number of and their personal call outcomes, like the number of calls are not disposed by them, the number of voicemail they left, the number of contacts that are not in service, positive outcome, negative outcome, everything in one place. Coming to the agents tab shows the performance of each of your calling agents. It shows the total number of hours they made call, the number of calls they made, the average talking time, the average wrap time, everything in one place. Now, the coaching insights. The coaching insights tab shows the highlights and the lowlights of your dialing campaigns and makes recommendations on where to improve and where you did the best. So you can re strategize your calling campaigns accordingly, and you can actually check the coaching insights for each of your dialing agents. Coming to the list performance tab. This this tab shows which list of prospects and which list of contacts performed the best. It gives you the number of calls that were made out of the list, the number of connected calls, connect rates, conversations that happened, and average duration of those conversations. So it gives you what kind of list and what are the prospects that are working the best for you. And this is the speed to lead summary list. The speed to lead summary list shows the number of total first dials. You can see the lead name, their phone numbers, and when they were first dialed. So gives you a clear overview of uh, how your contact lists are performing.